Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another episode of the Daily Bone Podcast, where we discuss all things crypto markets. That includes majors like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, meme coins, and of course, NFTs. Today, we're going to discuss market reactions for the FOMC rate cut yesterday, new all-time highs for both BNB and Hype, and what buttons we are clicking as on-chain season continues to heat up. GM, thank you for listening this morning. If you're on Twitter Spaces, give us a like. Give us a comment, give us a bookmark. If you're feeling generous, give us a retweet. Let us know what you're trading. Let us know what you're getting into. What are we missing? What are we hitting? Let us know. Same thing, YouTube commenters. We'll be with you all show. Give us some new updates, new tokens. What are you buying here? What are you selling? I'm joined today by Easy and Clemente. Boys, how you feeling today? Clemente, I see that you're still in this very nice mood lighting here. You got the
Dude, I don't know what happened to my camera.
Wrong mic, idiot.
Oh my God, and the wrong mic. Oh God, give it to him, Easy. How you feeling today?
I'm pissed, dude.
Why?
Jerome Powell said artificial intelligence.
He said it like 100 times.
Yeah, dude. It was fucked up. Dude said it 4 times. We almost absolutely crushed the markets. We went 5-2, which is still a great win. But the dude had to say the word goal 27 minutes after the press conference was supposed to end, 4 times on the very last question.
Dude, he was like Ben Stiller, Meet the Parents. He was like bomb, 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 bomb. He was like goal, goal, goal. Got to hit our goals. Goal, 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 goal. And it just absolutely shattered that one. That was wild. C-Dog, what's going on with your camera? What's going on with your mic? What's going on here?
I don't know. I'm good now. Dude, my camera's like dark mode. Something happened where I like feel I'm darker now. My lighting is part of it. I think is Miami has cloudy. I'm right perched up next to my window, and when it's cloudy, I think I get dark. I think that's part of the problem with lighting. And yeah, that's it. But I'm feeling good, right? I'm packing for KBW. So I got, I packed a what do you call the Japanese
kimono?
Kimono. I got a kimono dragon freaking in my suitcase, ready to go.
Kimono dragon. What?
Yeah, all in all, man, I'm feeling agile, feeling loose off the goose. I'm very excited. I want to talk about the crime that's happening because that's obviously incredibly bullish. The BNB crime. I had someone text me to buy. What was it? Aster. To buy, Aster at 0.15. And I'm like,
he hit me at like 0.3. I was like, what the fuck?
Yeah, you hit me and I wasn't there. I wasn't at my desk.
I have a lot of money in Aster.
Dude, I wasn't at my desk because we were out shooting with Nick, and then and then he texted me like, dude, please tell me you bought. And I'm like, no. And I checked the price and it 3x. I was like, fuck. Honestly, I wouldn't even
3x.
Instead, we're in the we have Aster at home token on BNB right now.
What is that one?
Oh, the stablecoin one. BSTBL or whatever.
Dude, this is bullshit.
Dude, I love how Project X is phase 2 to get onto BNB because everything else confused me. So I used that, bridged it over. I'm not up 3x because this quant gave it to me so fucking late.
So did you buy because he messaged you?
No, I saw the message after I bought, actually. Like way after. So when I was doing that mention market stream, somebody tagged me in it and was like, yo, check out Aster. And obviously, like, I'm sweating over Jerome Powell saying specific words, so I didn't look into it. Stream ended. I went and looked into it. And I was like, oh, this is CZ, his attempt to dethrone Hyperliquid. Like, it's incubated by YZI Labs, which CZ owns.
So, okay, and he posted. I mean, it's up 3x from when he posted the chart.
He's only posted 2 tickers in his entire life.
BNB and Aster.
He also posted TST, that weird test token crime.
Yep. But that's not a product. Like BNB, which went from 10 cents to $1,000, and Aster, which was at 17 cents going to $1,000.
OX Fetty is saying it's time to short it. I would disagree with that, Fetty. I love how we're so desperate for exit liquidity that crime season is so bullish now. We're like, oh, let's fucking go.
Every fall, dude. No, fall's like clockwork for CZ. FTX, when did it collapse? Fall. Terra Luna. When did it collapse? Fall. CZ. When did he get fired and have to leave Binance? Fall. When did Peanut get murdered? The little squirrel guy, and Binance listed. Fall.
When did I lose my virginity? Last fall.
Not yet. Oh,
This fall,
last
hopefully.
fall. Hopefully this fall.
Crossing my fingers this fall.
What's the market cap on this? Like, it's not on any other DEX. Is this
3.5
384? What?
3.5 bill fully diluted. It's like 500 mil circulating.
Like, where do you even find this?
Don't ask. You're asking too many questions. Right now.
Where's like all you can buy is on the actual
You
perps
can
DEX?
only buy this on Aster, and the only way to get funds into Aster is to bridge or put Solar ETH in your perps account and then transfer it in the platform, or deposit USDT on BNB.
Wait, and then you buy it and you don't even have it on. You buy spot and you don't even have the spot on chain, right? It's all just like
no. So you have the key to this wallet. You can.
right, but
this wallet is
it's not on chain.
What do you mean
Right?
it's not on chain?
Otherwise, you'd be able to create a liquidity pool with it, right? So you don't own the Aster on chain.
Technically, you can buy it on PancakeSwap. APX.
Oh, you can. Okay.
I think it's APX or ASX, one of those. But yeah, it's a slightly different ticker till it gets pushed outside of this.
Gotcha.
Yeah, it is on chain though. You can export this wallet and move the tokens.
Okay, I didn't know that.
The
Like, I
tokens
thought
are
it was-
yours.
Gotcha.
Oh, wait, is this, I can use this in the United States?
I'm not answering any of those questions.
Let's go.
Airdrop
Yeah.
for the
You want to hear the
Aster.
craziest part about it too? Unlike Hyperliquid, this shit's got 1,000x leverage.
Whoa.
Mm.
Yeah, see the 1,001x right there at the top?
I mean, that's huge.
No, so obviously that's like kind of shit posting because you should never trade 1,000x leverage. It's like this is just gambling. If the price drops,
At all.
if the price drops right now, $50 on Bitcoin, you get liquidated. So that's
Well,
a
it's
little bit
going up. We probably
What's
would have just made
interesting,
general
though-
wealth. if we
What's interesting
logged-
for me though, Ray, click. Is this Ray screen? Yeah, click
Yeah.
perpetuals. I want to show you something. Click perpetuals.
Yep.
Click down on the Bitcoin logo on the bottom left there, top left. There you go. Stocks.
Ooh.
50x leverage on stocks.
Whoa.
Now that's the most interesting thing for me here.
So they're front running Hyperliquid to this essentially.
Yeah.
It looks like it's actually good. Like it's a good platform.
The only negative thing is it's on Binance.
All right.
Okay,
so stock
which is fine.
currently trading outside regular hours with limited price movement and potential reduced liquidity.
Yep.
Interesting.
So there's obviously you can trade 50x leverage once the market's open between 9:30 and 4:30. Yeah.
Okay.
Synthetic stocks, yes, with leverage. But it looks like this is the one CZ is going to crime. And then you have there's another one that Coinbase has. What is the name of it? Coinbase has one too. One sec. I have it somewhere. That they launched.
Syndicate.
It's not Syndicate. There's another one. I want to say it's APX.
Is it like Avant or something?
Avant. Yeah, Avant. Avantis. Avantis is the other
What
one.
is Avantis?
That's Coinbase's Hyperliquid competitor.
Does he have a
I think I saw
ticker?
that, like,
Yeah, it's
AVNT.
AVNT. But the reason I'm so like interested in holding this Aster price action is because I look at the Avantis chart and what it did for the first 2 days. Because it looks identical to this chart. Zoom out, zoom out, zoom out, zoom out. Avantis has been out for about a week. Look at that price action at the start. Ignore the first two candles because shitty ETH stuff, EVM. It did this slow grind up and then finally blew up and ran hard. I look at Aster, slow grind up, and now it's in this like accumulation phase, that 11 to 12. It's kind of where I think we are right now. So I'm interested. I think, truthfully, the reason I'm holding Aster is because I think Aster can go to $1.50 if you comp it to Hyperliquid. Hyperliquid's at a 46 bill FTV. I believe like a circulating of 5 and change, or 15. A circulating of 15, fully diluted of 40 or 50. I forget the exact context. Give me a sec. I wrote it all out. It is, yeah, I found it right here. Hype is at an 18 bill market cap, 56 bill FTV. So a 5x on Aster here, which this was at 0.3 at the time of writing this, would put it at a 2.5 bill market cap, 15 bill FTV. Feels fair.
Which is what, a 2x from here?
No, a
3 and
4x.
change.
Deploying
4.
capital.
Market cap wise, 3 and change, almost 4. Yeah, almost 4. A little less than 4. But that feels fair.
Aren't there perps on Binance?
Yeah, but this
So
is a
like
decentralized version. Anybody can use it. Like Clemente just made the comment, I can use this in the US.
Okay.
Like you don't have to have a Binance account.
So I should move my stable bag over here.
Well,
Actually,
I don't know about all that, but if you see that little
not stable
logo
coins, my bag of STBL, the random Binance ticker that I bought the other day. That is,
you see that little glowing logo up there though that says airdrop?
Airdrop.
Yeah,
that's the one that a lot of people are interested in.
I like that one. It's glowing.
I mean, that thing looks sick. Whoever made that, whatever visual designer they paid to make the airdrop logo, they probably paid him like $50K. Steal. Worth every dollar. That thing is beautiful.
That's nice.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh.
But yeah, I'm in for 50 grand.
50 grand.
I'm in for $300.
I went
we
hard
might
on
get in
this.
for some sort of multiple of that, but
you can
we've
see
got lots
my
to talk about
deposit history. One second. Oh, dude, these visual icons are hot, dude. Look at this thing glowing. It's like glowing. I just want to click.
Why did I get so much shit for flexing my 1 ETH buy on Zora?
Easy's
not getting
weird. Like you were like, hey,
BNB
I'm gonna buy some
coin.
And then you sold it today. I like your buy today on the Jack Butcher art blocks. That was a cool buy. I like that art. I think it looks cool. I'm not flexing shit. I'm sharing the alpha for all of us to make a 3x. I'm not making a 3x on Zora, Raymond.
I love it. I'm just saying, just flexing the big buys. It's okay. Sometimes you got to do it. And speaking of having to do it, today's show is brought to you in partnership with our friends over at Gemini. Did you know your credit card points and miles can lose value to inflation while they collect us? Credit card companies often reduce value and redemption value of your points and miles. Imagine a credit card with rewards that can grow in value. Yep. With a Gemini credit card, you can earn Bitcoin or one of 50 other cryptocurrencies annually. No fee. Every swipe at the store or gas pump earns you instant rewards deposited straight into your account. Plus, if you sign up now, you get a $50 Bitcoin bonus to kickstart your rewards. You can sign up today. Bodalgos.com/Gemini to sign up. Use that code. You're going to get $50 worth of Bitcoin. If you're looking to invest in Bitcoin, the Gemini credit card makes it easy. Love the Gemini credit card. Cannot wait to close on my house so that I can sign up and not knock my credit down a peg or two beforehand. Love it. Love our partners over at Gemini. Excited about what they've been doing. They just had their IPO last week. Love to see it trading publicly on the market.
Crushing. So definitely. Quick question, Ray.
Yep.
I can't buy Aster.
Why not?
Why?
Where is this?
Spot.
Let me zoom in.
Spot at the top.
Oh, spot.
What'd you deposit? That's my next question.
I deposited BNB.
Okay.
Wait, so my perps account needs to be different than my...
It's the same exact thing as Hyperliquid, brother.
No, because it says available 1,800 or 1,900.
You're in perps.
And you're now...
Click portfolio. Click portfolio.
Okay.
Now here, you need to move over. Oh, sorry. Actually, go back to perpetuals. Sorry. Go back to the perpetuals or spot. I forget which one it is. Go to spot. It's not a good UI. Deposit. Spot account, BNB. No, click perpetual. Yeah, deposit, perpetual, BNB chain. Yep, leave it there, and then that you should be able to go to BNB. Do you have money? Yep, 2.7.
No, I have more than this. I have 2 BNB. What the fuck man? Yo, oh my god, I'm gonna crash.
I don't know what your BNB's in. I'd have to see what your BNB's in. This was the difficult part for me.
My BNB's on BNB. It's right here.
So wait, easy. What's the easiest thing to use? USDT?
USDT on Binance, deposited to the spot account.
All right. You want to see how you do this as a pro? Here's how you do it as a pro.
I deposited BNB on BNB.
Here's how a pro does it.
Bullshit. Yeah, but
we convert our stable bag for a small profit into USDT.
You get points for this, by the way. You get points for this.
I don't fucking care all your fucking points,
bro. Yep. Hey, also, This is like kind of alpha. We talked about Project X. We talked about it a bunch on the show. Started out as like an LP DEX. Now they have cross-chain swaps as well. Lambo Land pointed out that you're going to want to swap in the first 24 hours of phase 2 going live to get added bonuses. So if you're out there, you've been using Project X, I highly suggest you do a swap on Project X today.
Are we sponsored by these guys? What's going on here?
No, we just love these guys. Great product.
Sponsor, dude?
And alpha.
But these guys literally gave you your entire bankroll with Pac-Moon. So you should be fucking grateful.
All right, so now we're going to deposit here, right? We do it live.
Dude, I hate crypto. I hate it so much. Why do I got to swap to the perp and the perp isn't fucking showing up now? Oh my gosh,
this is so good. Deposit, BNB chain, amount, USDT. I mean, this is just so confusing. This is just
my money's gone.
So confusing.
Like, look how much I'm struggling navigating this system here.
It is so.
My money's gone.
No, it's not. You fucking idiot.
Total value. Okay, here we go. Move it from spot to perp, or move it from perp to
spot. Yes,
dude. All right, I'm going to share my screen one more time. This doesn't even matter. We shouldn't even be talking about this bullshit on the show because
this won't matter in 3 months.
Like, look, total value of perpetual account, $2,000.
Press transfer.
Transfer.
Flip it. Hit the little arrow up there. There.
Where's my money?
Oh, yeah, no, that's crazy.
All right. Well, there you go. Awesome. Yo.
Wait. You might have to just withdraw it and put it back in. Take it out and put it back in.
So stupid.
I mean,
try to withdraw and it's
not until this fall, Easy. Not until this fall.
Not until this fall. If you went into easy mode, I literally broke down exactly how to do it. Step by step. Full breakdown.
Dude, I shouldn't need a breakdown. It's a platform. How does a platform need a breakdown? Someone who's been in crypto in 5 years can't figure this shit out. My money's just gone.
That's so bullish. That's so bullish.
What the fuck?
Yeah, I don't know what's going on. You have money in there. I see it.
I've got Aster now.
Submit an order for. Oh, that's him. Nice job. Higher.
We've got it. We've got Aster now.
Dude, screw you guys. Literally screw you guys, bro.
Oh, speaking of screwing us guys, Clemente, how about we hit a little weather report here?
Fucking bullshit. All right, I'll hit a fucking weather report, dude. Just because I'm a professional, I'm not gonna let it's not gonna affect the rest of the show. Ladies and gentlemen, it's Thursday, September 18th. Happy Chilean Independence Day for any of my Chilean brethren out there. Looking over at the crypto roundup, the majors are up on the day. We got Bitcoin over 117K, ETH just under 4,600, Solana 246, and Hype at $57.80, setting a new all-time high overnight. Good God. At what point do we start selling our Hype, huh? That's what everyone's wondering. Over the past 24 hours, the Fed cut interest rates by 25 bips as expected, with newly appointed Fed Governor Stephen Miran dissenting in favor of a 50% bips cut. What does dissenting mean? Ray is all of a sudden turning me into an encyclopedia or a thesaurus because I don't know what any of these words mean. So basically, the Fed Governor Stephen was like, "Yo, we want a 50 bips cut. We only cut 25." Prediction markets point to 2 more cuts coming this year as a favorite, now sitting at a 63% chance. Wow. Next up, some massive ETF news came from the SEC as they approved a generic listing standard for commodity ETFs. This paves the way for fast-tracked crypto ETFs. So basically, it's going to make it a lot easier to apply for ETFs. Bloomberg ETF James Safer posted a list of 14 tokens eligible for the new standard, which includes Doge, Solana, and AVAX. Wow. That's bullish for our bags, huh? Finally, more details surrounding the Coinbase hack were released in a new report. The report, okay, wait, hold on. So there were details that came out about the Coinbase hack. The report found that an employee sold photos containing sensitive user data, including social security numbers, for $200. Oh my God.
So you're telling me my social security number is out there and that they still lock my account for $200?
The hack affected 69,000 users. The hack only 69,000 users. Yeah, everyone
they really
I know
hacked them. They really broke into the system.
Yet everyone that I know that uses Coinbase all of a sudden gets spam texts every single day about their Coinbase account.
I have to leave my phone on D&D 24/7 because of the phone calls and texts from Coinbase saying this is Coinbase support, asking me for money and my name. That is my social.
Actually ridiculous.
I've just been giving him Clemente's address.
That is insane. So there you have it. That's the weather report. Back to you in the studio.
Excellent weather report as always, Clemente. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it just feels like a disaster coming out of Coinbase. They need to launch this token to pay everyone back, I guess. Anyone who got hacked in the exploit should get some free base tokens. Wouldn't that be fun? We have a lot to talk about. Why don't we kick things off with the rate cut? 25 bips cut. Stephen Moran dissented. I know that's a big word for you, but it means he voted against it because he wanted a 20 bips cut. Everyone else was he wanted a 50 bips cut. Everyone else was on the 25 bips. 3 cuts most likely. Easy's been calling for 3 cuts. We heard Powell speak. I don't know how much Easy was paying attention to the dovish or hawkish language.
I listened to the whole thing, every word.
I think you were more paying attention to what words were being said as opposed to what the words meant.
Gun to my head, I could not tell you what context any of those words were said.
Exactly.
I am listening for the letters in a cohesive pattern, and that is it. I have zero idea what the context is. Not at all. I was so locked into the amount of times that he said goal, and they asked about Lisa Cook, and I almost crashed out, and he ignored saying the name, which was euphoric.
Yeah, it was quite a stream. That was fun to watch out of Easy. Hey, Clemente, we are up 5% on that Aster buy already.
You guys actually need to shut your ass up.
Back to FOMC talk.
You want me to do what?
I was surprised the market didn't react. I feel like this is the least volatile FOMC.
Oh, I found it.
I'll be right back.
What the hell happened?
Okay. What happened?
I don't know. Easy bailed, but I figured it out, Ray.
Okay.
It just wasn't. It said 0 BNB, but when you click on it, it shows a BNB. So I'm going to try to do this now. Okay, that was very unprofessional of Easy's Bodega to do.
Yeah, mid analysis on the FOMC. He goes, hold up, I'm out. We're pumping. Look at this. Let's look at the 1 minute chart here.
I'm getting so much more right now.
What a buy. What a buy.
What? Dude, screw you, Ray.
Come on, top blast. Be my exit liquidity.
I'm going to. I'm literally trying to as I forgot how to do it now, dude. I fucking hate.
Just don't buy it. Just withdraw. Don't buy it. Don't even buy this token.
Shut up, Ray.
Don't worry about it. All right, Clemente. Did you sell your stable bag to get in?
No, I still hold that.
Oh wow, interesting.
Do you hold that?
I literally just showed myself swapping out of that and into this. All live. Yeah, 100% live there. I was gonna say this FOMC felt like the least volatile out of any that we've seen. Looking at the price action during it, we did have some volatility in the couple minutes following the rate cut, the actual cut. We saw some volatility, but it really wasn't what we've seen in the past. This is the 5 minute candle we're showing right here on screen, where we basically had a range from 233 to 238 on Solana during right after the rate cut happened. So very little volatility. It was basically priced in, I believe. Since the rate cut, though, we have basically grinded up on all major tokens. All major tokens are in the green. Yeah, seeing some comments saying, yeah, 0.25 was priced in. Yeah, 25 bips was basically priced in. We're green across the board. Now all eyes are kind of looking forward to next rate cut. I don't know if Jerome Powell really gave us any kind of indication of a shift in direction. His tone for this FOMC meeting, at least in my opinion, was the same as previous ones, where he's we're going to continue to look at the data. We have our goals. We're going to continue to follow those goals. The minutes release did say that they're shifting their focus onto the labor market, which has been struggling. That's what basically he mentioned in Jackson Hole last month, pointing to cuts. So if they continue looking at the rate, the job market, and the job market continues to underperform expectations, I think that cuts are likely. But he really didn't go as far as saying like, hey, yeah, this is the first of multiple cuts. It's more of like, hey, we cut this and we're going to wait and see what the data says, and then maybe we'll cut it again. So I didn't get a ton of read either way, dovish or hawkish from Powell. So a little bit of uncertainty. The markets are.
Did Clemente figure out the Aster stuff?
Dude, it's a work in progress. We're really trying. We're working hard over here. I'm back to Pancake Swap. I hate Pancake Swap so much.
It's so bad.
I really don't like it either.
Dude, and I just lost $20 from fees. God damn it. Oh my God. If I could describe to you the hatred I have towards crypto with bullshit like this, why does Pancake Swap get to make $20 off of
We're up big.
Off a $2,000 fucking swap?
Yeah, we're moving here. So you're thinking $1 or $1.50 here, easy?
I don't know. I'm up $30,000 right now, Ray. I'm tempted to just sell.
Screw you, dude.
So Ray, as the only two Aster holders on the show,
yeah,
we should probably discuss the lack of ability that Clemente has in the crypto space.
Yeah, it feels good. I made a couple $100 on Aster in the last 7 minutes, basically. The commenters are loving this. Like the fact you can't figure out says everything about your trading ability from Small Energy.
That guy sucks. That guy pissed me off.
He's the best. He's one of the best. One of the best. I will say there is a way that you can buy it without doing all this. Do you want that alpha?
No, I don't fucking want it anymore, dude. You guys are some jerks. All right, what next topic, Ray?
I want to get Easy's take on the FOMC. Anything change in your mind? Where do you think prices go in the short term from now until October's FOMC? I guess would be the next catalyst. Like anything.
There's nothing.
Price target TA wise.
You should just hang out and wait. Like we didn't really get any major moves one way or the other. Charts don't look bad. Hype almost hit $60. That's the one that I'm most interested in here. Other than that, though, shout out Clemente, by the way. Top ticked pump.
That was great.
Pump. Yeah, very good call. Very good.
What's it at now?
I think I thought your comments were spot on.
Yeah, and I got called a retard by
so
all
two things can be true at the same time. You can call the top and be retarded. Which, like, listen, buddy, I don't mean to be that guy, but kind of are. AVAX looks good here. That one looks good. Up over 30 dineros. That looks good. Yeah, I don't know.
Wow, $33 for AVAX. This one looks like it's a clear.
That chart is beautiful.
I just bought at 55 cents.
I'm selling.
Oh no! All right, do we sell it?
I just sold.
Dude, that's such bullshit. I have to pay a 10% premium because it took me 20 minutes to figure this out. I've just bought.
I had to pay a 200% premium because I didn't look at DMs. Same with you. Like, shut up. You buy it at the price you deserve.
I mean, I should have just bought this last night when you sent it over. I didn't even look at it. I was like, oh, this is the top.
Oh, yesterday?
Mm-hmm. 35 cents. Yeah. I mean, I should have bought it earlier. Like, I saw it earlier. People were talking about it, and I was like, oh, I'm already on it.
I got tagged in the mention market when CZ tweeted about it, and I was like, oh, what the fuck? I just thought it was some bullshit. I normally don't mess around on BNB until I took the 5 minutes to research it. And I was like, oh, hyperliquid competitor. CZ hates hyperliquid. Yeah, this is going to go higher.
How come my buy doesn't show up?
Go to 1 minute. Mine showed up.
How come my buy doesn't show up?
This shit is so fucking trash.
It doesn't show up because you have to buy more than $100 worth, buddy.
How about $2,000?
Everyone in the comments selling. Damn, sell it all.
Oh my God, I hate you guys, bro.
Sending because Clemente can't buy. Don't help him.
Depth? Like what? Ray, how do you do? Is there like support? Is there Aster support?
They don't speak English,
do they have like a customer hotline?
Yeah, I'll send you the number.
Oh my gosh. All right, so ETF news came out. If this gets approved, you're going to see like a slew of ETFs just like listed immediately. Safer listed like I think it was 14 tokens that are eligible. So we're going to see a number of crypto products eligible for ETFs getting inflows. So could this kick off the start of alt season? Just seeing a ton of money come into crypto ETFs.
Easy. You care to answer, buddy?
Sorry.
What the hell's going on here?
I have this little shithead going fucking crazy because there's somebody working on the office right now, and he doesn't know if he wants to be scared or wants to go fuck him up. All right? That's what I'm dealing with. He weighs 20 fucking pounds. He's not hurting shit, but he thinks he is. That's what I'm dealing with. He's fucking canoodling around over here. Not sure if he wants to jump off or go to bed. It's pissing me off. Yeah, I do think it's alt season. I think ICO Beast, who will inevitably quote tweet his own tweet in 6 months and say, "I told you so," was actually pretty right.
Are you talking about the merchant of narratives?
There's
the merchant of narratives
for anything.
Yeah, I think he's actually kind of spot on with his altcoin stuff. DOT, HBAR, AVAX, and a couple others, because they're getting the Coinbase futures trading, which is also very interesting because that's going to open up a lot of opportunity. So
anytime
I will be waiting.
Yeah, the thing is, like with this new listing, so basically, like the new listing standard, it says like if something's been trading on like a major approved U.S. exchange for X amount of time, it has a fast track to get an ETF. So anything that's been on like the futures trading on Coinbase is going to have that opportunity. Looking at Bitcoin dominance now, we're going to look at it on. Let's look at it on the daily here. I mean, we tapped lows earlier this week, 57% dominance. Haven't seen that since early this year. Bitcoin is basically grinded up from 57% to 66% over the first half of this year. And then once June hit, we've been basically moving towards altcoin season the entire time. So continuing to see alts outperform Bitcoin over that time. Do we continue to see it hit levels of last bull market, essentially, where you're looking at, 40% Bitcoin dominance? Like, do we see the same run that we saw from like early 2021 into like May of 2021, where we saw a massive like altcoin run? Do we see that same kind of massive run here on maybe just like a smaller scale? That's what I'd be looking for. If we see something like this, risk on season is here. Q4, bullish Q4. Maybe we're here. Maybe we've done it, but time will still tell. I'm positioned in a number of alts, so I'm ready and waiting. I don't know if you guys are positioning yourselves any differently or just sitting tight on bags. What's your strategy coming into a potential alt season, Easy?
Buy high, sell low, top blast Aster.
Love it. Love the insight.
Yo, dude, freaking Easy's off his game right now, Ray. I just tweeted out that I bought Aster.
It's been a month. I saw
it. That you bought Aster?
I'm actively trying to sell Aster right now. I'm like aggressively trying to dump this.
All right. Off of the bag of Asters. Now let's talk about the bag I hold in TokenWorks. They announced NFT strategy.
Too.
NFT strategy, perpetual machine for every NFT collection. We saw Punk strategy. We talked about that earlier this week. Today, they are expecting to launch NFT strategy. This is going to come with 5 new tokens launching at a 50K market cap. Apester, Pudgyster, Dickster, Burbster, and Meebster. Buying apes.
Dickster. Clemente, why are you the top holder?
That may be the best ticker. Dickster might be the best ticker of all time. So these are going to open up. It's basically a curated launch of these 5 tokens. Eventually, they're going to allow any NFT collection owner to deploy a token that follows the same model. And then they'll open the deployments to anyone for a fee. So every NFT collection can now have a on-chain DAT, essentially. The fee structure for this can be slightly different. It's still going to be a 10% fee. 8% is still going to accumulate to the pool. The 2%, though, that was going to the team is going to be like split up a bit differently. 1% is going to go to the collection owner as royalties. So the owners of these collections are going to get a kickback on volume of these not of these fungible tokens. And then 1% is going to be used to buy and burn the Punkster.
Yo, Ray, this is confusing as shit.
Yeah, if you're not deep in this, it's very confusing.
Ray,
also,
Ray just straight up like went sicko mode for about 45 seconds. I'm not gonna be honest. I have no idea what you just said.
I saw Clemente's face and I was just like, nah, the lights are on and neither of us are home.
All right, launching tokens. These tokens are going to be buying NFTs with their tax money, is what's going to happen. They're going to be buying NFTs. So they're going to launch a Dickster today. And essentially 10% of all volume is going to go into a pool. And 8% is going to be used to buy crypto dick butts and relist them 20% higher. If they sell, all of the proceeds of that sale are going to burn Dickster token. So essentially, it's like token buybacks, and it's a machine that's going to be set up and turned on. You can't turn it off. There will forever be this bid on crypto dick butts via this token as long as it gets volume.
Well, it's a bid that then relists at 20% higher. Why is it 20%? Why would it not be? And then they burn. They buy it. They tax you when they get to enough of a threshold to be able to buy it. They buy the NFT. They list it 20% higher. When that NFT sells, they use the proceeds to burn the token.
Buy and burn the token. Yep, exactly.
Just the profits or the everything?
The entire amount.
Got it.
So somebody bought one of the crypto punks that was listed for 50 some ETH, and it DCA'd 1 ETH clips into the token over a couple minutes, and then burnt all the tokens. Is essentially how it works. Yeah, I think this is going to be like pretty interesting. Punkster ran on the back of this because they're getting a part of the fee from all these new launches is going to burn the initial Punkster token.
So the original, the OG token, what token is the one that I can just bet on for this overall protocol?
Punkster, PNKSTR.
Okay, PNKSTR. I've seen this everywhere. Okay, well now it's at 24 mil. I saw it like 2. Awesome. So I'd be literally buying the Pico top of this. That seems like a
exactly
really good strategy. And you bought this at 3 mil, I'm assuming 4.
I bought it around 2. I can just pull
holy
up
shit. Hey Ray, hey, thanks for the alpha Ray when this thing was at 2 mil. Thanks for sharing this with the show. 12x higher.
There's what I've done so far on this. Those are my dots. These are buys. These sells are just the tax, and then these are sells up. And I still hold a couple 100,000 tokens.
Okay, how much is that? It's like 20 grand.
I hold just shy of 10 grand of this.
Oh my god! How much are you up, dude? Like 50K?
No. These sells were smaller.
Okay. I mean, dude, let's fucking go.
Maybe up 14K overall.
I mean, that's a huge trade, dude.
Yeah, it was a big trade.
You've been freaking locked in.
I did well over the weekend. I haven't been as locked in this week. I'm on a bunch of creator coins that aren't doing as well. But I'm going to be watching out for that launch because these are starting at 50K market cap, all these tokens today. So Apester, Pudgyster, Dickster, Burbster, Meepster, all launching at 50K market cap. There's going to be an initial sniper tax. So be careful buying these because it's going to start with a 95% fee in the first block as people try to like MEV value. So he set it up in a way to kind of like slowly lower fees to avoid snipers running in and buying all the tokens immediately and like kind of messing up the protocol. So keep an eye out for these. Be careful if you see them launch. There's going to be high fees initially, and they're going to decrease over time and eventually rest at the 10% level. I thought that's interesting. I also thought that it was funny. Like some punks are like losing their minds over this. Like Punks OTC has just been like fudding this the whole time, saying like this is terrible for punks. We had Dap Punk come out and say like this is a parasite smart contract, and we should change the CryptoPunks marketplace contract to get rid of this. Like writes a whole thread on this. So it's like funny to see punks like losing their minds over like something that they can't even change. No one can change because it's just on chain forever at this point. It's like saying this is terrible for punks. I believe the perfect utopian distribution of 1 punk equals 1 owner would be the best for the community.
These people are so stupid, boomer, dumb, idiot morons that have no concept of anything and are just pissed off because their stupid 8-pixel JPEGs that they want to go to $1 million are being traded like dirty floor whores.
Oh my god!
Did I stutter?
You did not stutter.
Yeah, that's just my thought on it.
All right, well, be careful with the dirty floor holes. It did hold almost all females. It got its first male yesterday.
Oh,
first
no,
male
that's crazy. Punk. That's actually crazy.
Yeah, first male punk.
So why do they call it parasitic? Like just because they're moving hands more frequently?
They're saying like it's just like extracting value out of the punk ecosystem forever or something. I don't know. It was a very over the top post. Crypto punks will never be the same. is what people are saying. But I mean, it is interesting for like the mechanics of CryptoPunks. Like there's always going to be a bid on CryptoPunks, a collection bid, which there never has been before. Like you can put individual offers on CryptoPunks on the smart contract, but you can't have a collection bid. So now there's always going to be a collection bid, and that's going to be what the treasury of Punkster currently holds. You could list a punk at that and it would buy it.
What do you? So, oh, got it. So it's what it holds. So it could be 20,000 or it could be 80,000, just depending on what the remaining amount is. Every fee that goes in there is just the bid, and it slowly goes up.
Yep. Yeah. So it currently holds 25 ETH. So there's currently, if you list your CryptoPunk at 25.193, it's going to buy it instantly.
So Risk is saying it's just churning the punks floor to give people a little more exposure to the floor price. Wrapping my head around the multiple trades that doesn't make sense.
Yeah, I think there's a lot of different things at play. Like obviously the NAV is like crazy. I mean, it holds
happy Aster all-time high to those who celebrate.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It holds 8 punks right now, and it's trading at 25 million. Like it's trading well, like above like 4 NAV. So like. Yeah, I mean, you could say like it's definitely overvalued. It's really like, I mean, it's a token when it comes down to it. It's like a different type of speculation. Like if you're looking at this a pure value play, yeah, obviously this isn't a good price. But you look at other stuff like, okay, 1% of these marketplace now, like also there's like a drip effect. If this meta takes off and people are buying these other tokens, I don't think there's a super high percentage chance. Honestly, I didn't even think there's a super high percentage chance that this happened. This like wildly surprised me that this ended up like becoming this big. Like I bought there and I was like, okay, I'm selling like at 8 million. I was like, okay, this feels toppy. Like you can see my sales. Like I'm like, okay, 15 million. This is the top. So like I did not expect this to get to where it is now. And if the other tokens do, who knows? But again, I don't know. I don't know if they will. So like anything risky, interesting though to see a bid on NFTs. Do we see NFTs move on the back of it? I looked at Blur and OpenSea this morning. And I saw on OpenSea that everything basically went up that was going to get these tokens today. Meebits, Moonbirds, Crypto Dick Butts, and Apes, like all up on the day. So maybe some expectations coming into this token launch for other NFT collections, which would be interesting. I think we covered everything there.
Moving on. Aster all-time high to those who celebrate.
Yeah, Aster looking good here. 57 cents now. We started talking about it right around 50 cents. So love to see that. Over 10% gain immediately out of the gates. Aster's on BNB. BNB hit a new all-time high overnight. Maybe on the back of this Aster launch, to be honest. We crossed $1,000 for BNB for the first time ever, sitting at the number 5 market cap, just above Solana. Easy. You're bullish on a hyperliquid on BNB. You've never been bullish on BNB token itself. Same thought.
I'm forever bullish on BNB, right? I've always been bullish since 10 cents. I don't know. I don't like going to the chain. That's it. But I mean, BNB is like, dude, look at the BNB chart from like the last month. It's just up and to the right. The other thing is it looks like CZ's back at Binance. So like they're gonna send this.
It's the 1 year. Yeah, I mean the 1 year is up and to the right, up 84% for a top 4 major over the last 1 year.
Oh, dude, you know what's even crazier? I got to share this story real quick. Ray, can you look up the coin Texit? Yep, that one.
It's got a little warning sign next to it.
Yeah, I don't know what the warning sign is. So Vo last night found some crypto group in our local neighborhood. It's on Facebook. And was like, let's go to this crypto meetup. I'm like,
in your neighborhood?
Not like our neighborhood, but like the town. Like the town.
Oh.
It was like
okay.
10 minutes away. So we go to this crypto meetup. No one there is under the age of like 45. Maybe even older. Maybe 50. There's some old motherfuckers, dude. And we're talking to these people. They're very confused, trying to understand like crypto. One guy's like, yeah, I bought XRP at 50 cents. I've just been holding it. He's like, I'm thinking about starting to day trade. And I talked him out of that. I was like, do not fucking do that. I don't mean to say this rudely, but don't fucking day trade. But as I'm getting shilled these coins, I'm getting shilled XRP, Cardano, and this Texit. The people in this room held so much of this coin. And sorry, they're working on the wall here, so there might be some background noise. They held so much of this goddamn coin. So much of this coin. You can only mine it in Texas. And they were all celebrating how it was up 85% in 48 hours.
Oh my God. You can only mine it in Texas?
Can only mine it in Texas. Texas.
What's the 7-day price? This thing's at a $2.2 billion FTV.
Go to the all time. Look at this chart, dude. These motherfuckers bought this coin under $1. I was like, you guys are just printing. They're like, yeah, we've been holding it for a while.
They go holding Texas.
Yeah, we're up 6x this year. I'm like, what else has gone up 6x this year? TEXITcoin has.
Oh my God. This is up 10,000% over the last year.
Yeah. Yep.
Digital oil.
No, they did not all move from Texas. That's the worst part. Most of them never even have been to Texas.
Oh man.
Dude, they get their alpha from Facebook. They were like, yeah, we're in some Facebook crypto groups, and this was the one everyone was talking about, so we all bought it.
That's the kind of alpha we need, dude. We're not getting shit from crypto Twitter.
Dude, fuck crypto Twitter, dude. Crypto
When was the last time
Facebook is where
Alex
it's at.
Becker gave us a coin like this?
He's not doing shit. He's shilling fucking altcoins and random ass vaporware that he's getting paid to shill. We need the Facebook organic grassroots movement. Did you ask him for the Facebook links? I will actually join that.
Yeah, no, yeah, we can get it from Vo. She's in it. She joined. So
Okay,
like we're gonna get the boots on the ground Facebook alpha.
I'm
From
actually
my new
very
57-year-old friend. I think her name was Cindy. And then I met this couple who were both 55, man and woman, both named Terry, married to each other.
Oh, the Terrys.
Yeah, Terry and Terry. One with a Y, one with an IE. I'm telling you, man, it was a weird space, but it was fun. It was enjoyable to talk to these people. I was like, damn, this is crazy.
You should have blended in more. They bring up a good point. Half basic. What did you wear to this thing? Did you show
a polo, golf
Okay.
pants, and a pair of chukka boots. I
Okay.
fit in, and I had a
There we
golf
go.
hat. I was
There we
locked.
go.
I didn't show up in like a Furigati and some like cargo pants.
Yeah.
I had golf pants, some chukka boots.
They wouldn't
And
even let me in there. They'd be like, we got a Latino in here. Hey.
This is TEXITcoin.
Get over to Texas, minus some coins.
He ain't welcome.
Who let this brownie up in here? Ding.
Ding. He ain't welcome.
You're not allowed to buy TEXITcoin, I'll tell you that.
Dude, so I do have to say this part. Man and woman, both named Terry, married to each other. That caught me so off guard. They're like, yeah, this is Terry. And it's really easy to remember his wife, Terry. I was like, no, that's not real. They're like, it is. Terry and Terry? I was like, this is crazy. This is crazy.
Terry and Terry.
I got to visit you and we got to go
man.
check that out.
No, you would thrive, dude. You would thrive. You would thrive.
You guys see
That's cool.
Pupsy got drained for 1,000
Yeah,
sold?
500K. The thing it's Nova. The thing Nova didn't use Turnkey, which is the software stack to help encrypt private keys. And Nova's the only one out of all those that didn't use Turnkey. So that's a speculation. I don't want to say it's them, but there is a common denominator across like the 4 or 5 big accounts that have been drained, including Orangey.
Orangey was drained from his own platform, speculatively.
Nice save there. Speculatively.
Allegedly.
Oh my gosh. This is why you have to trade in Rhythm. Bodoggos.com/rhythm today. Sign up. All fees are going to go to buy Bodoggos for the first month. Only connected wallet to Jupiter, Axiom, Photon, Nova. Left $200,000. This is a manual drain, no extensions.
All right, guys. Aster's starting to dump a little bit. Please
So
start buying the chart.
Cupsy lost like 2 days worth of work, essentially.
No, 'cause now
Yeah,
he
he lost about 500K. And he made it all back.
No, he didn't. No, I've been seeing that he now in his new wallet, he's not making as much money.
He's still doing fine.
He doesn't have the copy traders on it.
Yeah, he lost money actually. Is what I've been seeing back-to-back days.
Are we sure it's because he's losing his edge, or maybe like mentally he's not there because of the drain? Like he might be just like off his game a little bit.
I like how his new wallet is public. He just publishes his wallets. Like,
of course.
That's his edge. losing the wallet was more was more of a loss than the 500K.
Yeah, if you have the private key to that wallet, just start trading on it. Like, don't drain
Yeah.
it. Just start trading on it.
Yep, exactly. Just
he has up
randomly
money.
Yep.
He's up. No, he's locked in.
Yeah, but he probably lost like a handful of like automated copy traders like immediately on that. So he's got to get them back on that new wallet, which is like a wild scenario. Like that's just like a never-ending thing. He buys tokens, they go up because there's copy traders, so people copy trade because the tokens go up. Run up on time here. Some quick hitters you can catch every day in our newsletter, dailybones.com to sign up. MoneyGram partnered with Crossmint to enable instant USDC remissions. MoneyGram getting into the blockchain sending of money. Kraken partners with Circle to increase adoption of USDC and EURC, the Euro stablecoin. Trump sued New York Times over defamation related to his Trump token. Vitalik released short and long-term Ethereum roadmap items at a speech. Jack Butcher's gas wars sold out amidst an actual gas war, very, very heavily botted. OpenSea swept more NFTs for its reward pool, and LimeWire acquired the rights to Fire Festival and teased a LMWR token integration. Easy. Are you buying LMWR token to go to Fire Festival?
Yeah, I'm all in. Clemente, it looks really promising. You should buy it.
Sell your Aster. Get some LMWR.
God, screw you guys, man. Also, I was looking at the rasmr stream is just live. People sleeping for his challenge.
I love this. Yeah, give them context on what's going on here.
So rasmr did a stream where people have to stay in the circle. Last one to leave gets his creator fees for a period of time. It's like $6,000. And I think there's like 6 people left. And he's like, all right, here are a bunch of sleeping bags. We'll start again tomorrow. And it's raining. So they're just sleeping.
Take away the tent tomorrow night. Take away the sleeping bags the night after. Just turn this into Survivor.
Like,
how much is made in royal like creator fees? Like, are these people getting 10 grand or like a grand?
$6K.
That's not bad. I feel like people will definitely do this for $6K. Oh, somebody's peeking. Somebody's waking up over there in the corner.
Waking up. Oh yeah, at the seam or what? Yeah. Look at.
Dude, this is so good.
Look at him, he's waking up.
Dude, that's such a weird scenario. People on the internet are just like watching you sleep.
That's so funny, dude.
Did you watch any of it yesterday? I didn't. Did they do anything like interesting?
No, I did not see it. They were playing stuff. I think then they got raided by the base house guys. I'm actually there were a lot of people that launched coins in the last 48 hours. We had OG, we had Moose, Mika, all these guys are starting to get out there, which is interesting. But yeah, good stuff.
My bad.
Raymond, I also
bad.
Oh yeah, it's terrible.
Everything is down bad. I mean, look at these positions. This is like all in the red. All in the red right here. We've been buying these this week. I'm just gonna hold them. Like my thought is creator season comes back. Maybe some of these pump, but everything here at PNL is all in the red for the ones we've bought. You have a couple green, but they're just like I'm holding dust from winners. Not looking great for the creator coin meta. We'll continue to monitor. Anything else you want to chat about before we wrap here, Clemente?
Let's wrap it.
Thank you all for listening. It's been a wonderful Thursday. We do this podcast Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. Eastern time. You can catch us on all major podcasting platforms. Catch us on Spotify, Apple. Also watch us on YouTube. See what we're talking